fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just logic brain of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, and there's different. Would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heaven for that. I knew you were one of mine. Now your father's taken the others off for their first swimming lesson. So, how about you and me doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. Whew. It's a bit naked, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid. Can we swim out to the islands?
Good gracious, no. It's farther than you think. Why, I haven't been there since your father and I were courting. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do, and you should take two-legged, you should just take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy bird melts down below each sky. A propeller must keep paddling, like the flappers must keep paddling, with your flappers must sing. To be dreaming and calm. Like this? That's the way. Bend your knees, no splashing please, sorry, and steady, watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign, that's fishing line, which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in the class of his own. This is wonderful, I am feeling full grown. Look at you have every reason to hold your head up high, as if free from all troubles your back stays nice and straight. But my bottom's above must keep paddling, like the flappers must keep paddling, with your flappers must sing. To be dreaming and calm. Just beneath the surface you may struggle to get by, but nothing can deter you if you hold your head up There, dear. Much better.
What did you mean when you said I was different from my sisters? What's different?
Well, for one thing, you can swim much better than they can.
Really? What else?
Try to remember that it's what's inside that matters, not what you look like.